Hey guys, what's up? Emil is here, and this is our lesson 2 in HTML and CSS tutorial. Well, today we're going to look at some important HTML elements that we're going to use a lot in HTML. So let's go and see that elements and write some code. Yep, let's go into it. So our first element is h1. You can see we just used it in the previous video, in the previous lesson, but let's use it again. So I'm going to say h1 heading or heading of my website. Yeah. So let's just refresh our web page and see what happens. Yeah, heading of my website. I think you heard a lot about paragraphs in websites, like they're writing the small text. So let's go and create a paragraph. So writing a paragraph, we're going to use a P. So P, and this is how we use it. So let's just write P and press tab, and then it will write this to us. So I'm going to say, this is my paragraph. Okay. So just refresh your web page. Here we go. It just adds a paragraph. So let's just copy some text from the browser. Let's just go and say lorem ipsum text. Let's just see lorem ipsum. Let me just go to the website. Just open it. Whoa. Oh, God. Yeah. So let me just copy this text. This is in a paragraph. So let me just copy this text and go to our web page. Just paste it here and just press Alt, Shift, and F to make it look beautiful in Visual Studio Code. Yeah. So just official web page. Here we go. It just adds a paragraph in our web page. So what if we want to do this, like spaces? Yeah. So we can do it with this. Like we're going to our code. We're just doing this and adding P here. So when we refresh this, we'll add a space here. Yeah. So just create another one here and Control C, just V, and this will be MP. Yeah. So if we refresh it again, and here we go, it just adds it. So let's do another one. So let me just make it like this. Just press Alt Shift F to make it look beautiful. Let me just do this. Yeah. And also I'm going to delete this and I'm going to delete this. Control X, then P, right here, Alt Shift F, and this is how we use it. So just press and refresh it again. There we go, it works. So another way to make the spaces is to add a BR tag, okay, BR element, like yeah, adding a BR here, BR, and then you just refreshing the page, and it just adds BR means breaks the line, okay, it just breaks the line and just goes to next line. So that's how to use an BR. So, and yeah, so the another element is a input element. So we're just adding an input, like you can saw on the Google, yeah, but this is an input, yeah, this is an input. So let's go and add an input on our web page. So let's just go to our web page and add an input. So you're writing an input, then you're writing, and then you're just closing your text. And input element is a self-closing element. It just closes itself. So we're just adding this, and it just closes himself. Okay, just refresh your web page and see what happens. Yeah, it just adds an input here. Yeah, so you can write the text here. So you can write hello world. Yeah. So, and another I would say element or tag is button. Just creating a button. So just go and write button and press tab. Here we go. It just adds a button. So just refresh your web page. You can see that they have a little button, but let's just insert a text here. So I'm going to insert click me. Yeah. So I'm writing button, pressing tab, and then click me. So just go and refresh your web page. Here we go. It just adds click me. This is a button. So another way is making this text. Yeah, you just title of your web page. Yeah, new tab or else. So maybe you have seen this before, like this element, the title element. Yeah. So title element is to change your title of your web page. Yeah, you're just adding the title here, and then you're just saying this is title. So just refresh your web page, and you can see that it adds this is title. Here it adds this is title. So let's write another one. HTML and CSS tutorial. HTML just refresh again. HTML and CSS tutorial and ML puzzle. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. So this is how we use it. And also they have meta tags. So just don't worry, and we're going to talk about later on. So let's just go and look another element. So, also they have a table element to creating a tables, but I'm going to talk about it later on. So let's just end this video, and I hope you catch it. I hope you enjoyed it. So well, see you in the next lesson. See you in the next video. Bye.